What's up guys, so in today's video we will have a glimpse into upcoming OnePlus foldable phone OnePlus.V Fold. OnePlus is going to join the flip and foldable smartphone race from the third quarter of this year. We have a new first set of CAD-based renders about OnePlus.V Fold thanks to OnLeaks. Here we have a first look at the OnePlus.V Fold. It looks a very true competitor of Samsung's Fold 5. OnePlus Fold will have very thin bezels compared to Galaxy Fold 5. Cover screen will be more wider than the Galaxy Fold 5. OnePlus Fold will offer the metallic design with the leather look-alike finish of the phone. The inner display of a OnePlus Fold will be edge-to-edge, unlike its parent company OPPO's Find N or Google Pixels. OnePlus Fold will offer a 2K resolution of a AMOLED LTPO display with 120Hz of a refresh rate along with a 32 megapixels of a punch-hole design selfie camera. On the back side of a phone, OnePlus will offer a triple camera setup, leather look-alike finish, 50 megapixels for main camera with the Sony IMX890 sensors along with periscopic lens and ultra-wide camera. OnePlus Fold is expected to have a 4800 mAh battery with 100 watts of a wide charging. Well, it is not confirmed that OnePlus Fold will offer IP ratings for dust and water resistance or not. OnePlus Fold will run on a Qualcomm Snapdragon's 8 Gen Plus 2 powerhouse, as 8 Gen 3 series of processors will be available for the Q4 schedules smartphones. If these renders are true, then Samsung has to be really worried because OnePlus gonna be at very tough competitions for the Samsung's Fold 5, because Samsung's Fold has a lot of drawbacks like narrow cover screen, bigger bezels, low camera performance, visible display crease, thickness and the weight of the phone, frames and backside finishes of the phone. Also, OnePlus will offer a better camera performance as OnePlus sensors and the lenses are co-engineered with optics legendary brands in the world, Sony and the Hasselblad respectively, with a lower price tag as compared to Samsung's Galaxy Fold 5. OnePlus Fold will have a global offline and online presence on the shelves. Parent company of a OnePlus, OPPO, is also going to launch its OPPO Find N2 foldable smartphone also, which look quite similar to a OnePlus Fold except some minor changes in the camera design and finishes of the phone, and of course major changes in the hardware configurations. Well, you guys will prefer OnePlus.V Fold or whatever name gonna be so, or OPPO Find N2. Let me know your thoughts in the comment sections below. Well, Q3 and Q4 gonna be a super tough for Samsung's folding phones, as Chinese manufacturers like OnePlus, OPPO, Vivo, Xiaomi and Huawei are gonna get up the race of a foldable smartphone. And it is good to be honest, because Samsung's become so lazy for the lack of innovations just because of no competition in the global smartphones market from the exit of Huawei because of US sanctions on Huawei. Samsung is going to launch its 5th generation folding phone with no major upgrades and innovation in its design, camera, display, folding mechanism, weight and thickness of the phone, and with the top note of a price tag. So if you guys are planning to buy or upgrade to foldable smartphones, then I would say that just wait for Q3 and the Q4 for having a better options in the foldables. What do you think guys about this video? Kindly share your thoughts and opinion in the comment sections down below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later. Peace out. Please do consider subscribing and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.